Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a TikTok video that is longer than 50 seconds. Alright, let's get started. So I have the TikTok app open. First what I'll do is just tap on the little plus icon at the bottom center. That'll bring up my little video here. And what you can see at the very bottom is 60s, 15s, and templates. All you have to do is swipe it over to 60 seconds. And then you can make a 60-second TikTok video. Another cool features is that you can actually set however long you want, up to 60 seconds, by tapping the little timer icon on the right hand side right above flash. So I'll tap on that and I can drag this over to, say, a 30-second video. So once I get to 30 seconds, I can start the countdown. And this will take a 30-second video and then it'll cut it off after that. So that's it. That's how you create any length video you want above 15 seconds. Remember, 60 seconds is the max, so you can't go above that, unfortunately. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.